Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of processors, the unsung heroes of our digital lives. You know, those tiny chips that make everything from your smartphone to your gaming PC run smoothly. In the simplest terms, a processor is the brain of any electronic device. Just like our brains control our thoughts and actions, a processor tells your computer or phone what to do. It processes instructions from software programs and crunches data to get things done. Imagine a chef in a kitchen. The processor is like the chef, following recipes, software instructions, and using ingredients, data, to cook delicious meals, perform tasks. Without a processor, your devices would be as useless as a keyboard without keys. So let's give these little guys some credit, shall we? Now, you might be wondering how this brain actually works. Well, it's all about following instructions really fast. Processors work in a continuous cycle of fetching, decoding, and executing instructions. First, they fetch instructions from the computer's memory, kind of like grabbing a recipe from a cookbook. Then, they decode these instructions, figuring out what needs to be done. Think of it as the chef understanding the steps in the recipe. Finally, they execute the instructions, performing the actual calculations or operations. That's the chef cooking the dish according to the recipe. This cycle repeats millions or even billions of times per second, making your devices feel snappy and responsive. It's like a super-fast chef cooking up a storm in your computer. The most common type of processor is the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. It's the main brain of your computer, handling everything from running your operating system to opening applications and browsing the web. Think of the CPU as the head chef in a restaurant. It manages all the other components in your computer, like the memory, storage, and graphics card, ensuring everything works together seamlessly. The CPU's performance is crucial for your computer's overall speed and responsiveness. The faster the CPU, the quicker it can process instructions and complete tasks. So if you're a gamer or a professional using demanding software, you'll want a powerful CPU to handle the workload. It's like having a Michelin star chef in your kitchen whipping up digital delights in a flash. Section 4, Graphics. Powerhouse, the GPU. While the CPU is the main brain, the GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, is like a specialized chef for visual tasks. It's responsible for rendering images, videos, and three-dimensional graphics, making your games look stunning and your movies play smoothly. GPUs are designed for parallel processing, meaning they can handle many calculations simultaneously. This makes them ideal for graphically intensive tasks that require a lot of number crunching. Think of it this way: the CPU is like a chef preparing a simple meal, while the GPU is like a team of pastry chefs working together to create an elaborate wedding cake. If you're a gamer, a video editor, or anyone working with graphics-intensive applications, a powerful GPU is essential. It's the difference between choppy frame rates and smooth, immersive visuals. Section 5, Specialized Processors for specific tasks. Now, CPUs and GPUs are the most well-known processors, but there are many other specialized processors out there, each designed for specific tasks. For example, your smartphone has a dedicated image signal processor, or ISP, that handles image processing tasks like applying filters and improving image quality. Your car has an engine control unit, or ECU, that manages engine performance, fuel injection, and other critical functions. Even your smartwatch has a tiny processor that tracks your fitness data, runs apps, and connects to your phone. It's like having specialized chefs for every dish imaginable, each expertly trained in their culinary craft. Section 6, Mobile Processors, powering your smartphone. Speaking of smartphones, they have their own breed of processors called mobile processors, or SoCs, which stands for System on a Chip. These are like compact kitchens that pack everything onto a single chip, including the CPU, GPU, memory, and other components. Mobile processors have come a long way, and today's high-end smartphones are more powerful than some laptops from a few years ago. They allow us to play graphically demanding games, edit videos on the go, and run multiple apps simultaneously without breaking a sweat. It's like having a five-star restaurant in your pocket, ready to serve up digital delights whenever you need them.